ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
नाटस्य पृष्ठमपि संवसार्याजो परिपूर्णः प्रजातो
Truly special morning, one where tradition, vision and celebration come together to mark the beginning of something extraordinary.
That is what we wanted to do over here, is to allow the evolution of our culture so that we always feel proud of who we are. We are not proud about owning only foreign goods, but capable of making the best over here, encouraging pure talent to build up over here, giving a stage for the growth of culture, because it will only make our growth much more inclusive, much more solid. MLA of our area, Srimati Manjula Limbavolli ji, and our dear guest, Shri Pilapa ji, respected members of the media, revered elders of our area, and my dear friends and family. Kindly accept my humble reverence to the divine that resides in all of us. I've been blessed to witness the growth of our postal code 560067 since my childhood.
ನಮ್ಮ ರೀತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವರು ನೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ವರ್ಷದವರು, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಮರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವರ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ. ಇದು ಸರ್, ಯು ನೋ ವಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ Mahadevpura is an IT hub. So we have very good communication of lakhs together people per day. Many lakhs together people come to work here. We have nearly some 15 to 20 lakhs people coming and going to Mahadevpura.
Welcome to SNSI 067. My name is Harish Mekuri. I'm the MD and founder for SNSI 067. Basically, the inspiration is to create a space where people can come, stroll along, slow down in life, and have the facility of a well-curated retail, F&B, and other services in their area. Life is fast. We see that the pace of life is so fast that there is no space and time to slow down. There's a lot of pressure because we all have to compete globally. It's no longer just a small business. Every young person today has to be able to compete globally. And over the years of being here, I realized that, wow, we have amazing buildings, we have amazing office buildings, but where can somebody slow down? Where can somebody come in the morning, do yoga, do a little bit of meditation, hear the pure sounds of our Vedas, stroll around, have a coffee, have children, have a beautiful spa. We have a balanced spa coming, have a good time, well priced. So we have a beautiful curation here of international brands like IKEA, like different brands coming up over here. only to service the local requirements. We've done a lot of primary survey and secondary survey before we built, and most people said, please, can you not build another mall? Can you keep the trees? Can we have facilities that we can just come with our family? And when we did all that survey, we decided we will not build any large tall structure. We will maintain our neighbors, which is our trees primarily, in this place. So if you see, none of the trees have died. They've been here for decades together. So the place is just to come, slow down, and have a beautiful, great time, so that you can maintain your healthy life, and together we continue to work and compete globally. That is the whole idea. So I have had the good fortune.
Industries. Now, how you got this?
I have been in the world of fashion for a long time. I've been in spinning, weaving, dyeing, garment exports, fabric exports. I've done embroidery, logistics. But mainly I've been serving a lot of, because it's export mainly for the US market. And while doing exports, I also had the good fortune of being close to most of my buyers and understanding what retail is about. And when I found that standardization can kill retail, I realized that we need a space where smaller people, brilliant designers can showcase, sell, and not be stuck with a store all the time. So we knew that we needed a space with open spaces. India, we have at least 10 million great designers. This is a country of absolute creativity. And I felt that, wow, we need to be able to showcase our multitudes of talents. Look at even a simple thing. Look at our state, Karnataka. How many beautiful types of saris we do. But beyond saris, what else can we do? How else can we preserve the heritage of our skills? So those are the ways in which we think that we brought. And I've learned this really from my beloved God, Swami, because I've seen how he interacted with thousands and thousands of villages, created infrastructure for them to come up. And I felt that with such talent, if we can create a beautiful space for talent, then I would have done. That's why we named it as Essensai. Basically, it is essence of Sai. 067 is because since my childhood I've been coming to this area. We always knew the postal code as 560067 from Swami's ashram onwards till the end of the road leading to Madras. So I said, well, it's a great memory for me. That's why it's Essensai 067.
Thank you, sir.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.